send high quality photos on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can send high quality photos on Viber. For that, open your Viber application on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will find this interface on your screen. At the very bottom, you will find 4 different icons. Click on that 3 dots that says More at the right bottom. Once you click on it, you will reach to a new page. Here you will find Settings option. Click on this Settings option to enter the Settings section. Now once you reach to this page, here you will find Media option. Go ahead and click on this Media option, and from here you will find the Photo Quality option at the top. Click on it. Currently it is set to 250 kb. As you can see, the highest quality is 650 kb. You just simply have to tap on this option right here, and then you can see you have successfully selected it. From now on, you can send high quality photos on Viber. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.